As we delve into the annals of history, we witness the Spitfire's pivotal role in shaping the outcome of the war. From the Battle of Britain to the D-Day landings, its nimble agility and deadly firepower struck fear into the hearts of enemy pilots and bolstered the morale of Allied forces. But the Spitfire is more than just a machine of war, it is a beacon of hope and inspiration. Its legendary status transcends its metal frame, embodying the bravery of the pilots who flew them and the sacrifices of those who fought alongside them. As tensions escalated across Europe, Britain realized the imperative of bolstering its air defenses. In response, the decision was made to develop a cutting-edge fighter plane that could rival the advancements of its adversaries. Thus, the Supermarine Spitfire was conceived, a marvel of engineering destined to redefine aerial combat. At the heart of the Spitfire's design lay its revolutionary features, including the iconic elliptical wings and all-metal construction. These innovations not only endowed the aircraft with unmatched aerodynamic efficiency but also lent it an unmistakable silhouette that would soon become synonymous with British valor and determination. However, the path to perfection was not without its hurdles. The Spitfire's development journey was fraught with challenges, from technical setbacks to logistical constraints. Yet, through unwavering dedication and ingenuity, the brilliant minds behind the Spitfire persevered, transforming obstacles into opportunities for innovation. The Supermarine Spitfire was armed with a potent array of air-to-air weapons, including Browning .303 machine guns or Hispano 20mm cannons. In air-to-ground missions, it could carry bombs or rockets, further enhancing its versatility on the battlefield. In terms of performance, the Spitfire was a true marvel of its time. With a top speed reaching up to 594 km per hour, 369 miles per hour, and a range of 1,135 km, 705 miles, it possessed exceptional agility and endurance. Its lightweight yet robust construction, with a mass of around 2,274 kilograms, 5,000 pounds, contributed to its nimble maneuverability in the skies. Measuring approximately 9.12 meters, 29 feet 11 inches, in length, with a wingspan of 11.23 meters, 36 feet 10 inches, and a width of 3.71 meters, 12 feet 2 inches, the Spitfire boasted sleek aerodynamics that optimized its performance in combat. During its production lifespan, over 20,300 Spitfires were built, making it one of the most prolific fighter aircraft of World War II. This fast production scale ensured that the Spitfire became a familiar sight in the skies, serving with distinction in numerous theaters of war. During the pivotal Battle of Britain, the Spitfire emerged as a stalwart defender of the skies, standing as a symbol of resilience and determination against the onslaught of the Luftwaffe. Its exceptional agility and firepower played a crucial role in thwarting enemy attacks and securing victory for the Allied forces. In numerous aerial engagements, the Spitfire showcased its unmatched maneuverability, allowing skilled pilots to outmaneuver and outwit their adversaries with ease. Its elliptical wings and responsive controls made it a formidable opponent in dogfights, earning it a fearsome reputation among both friend and foe. The Spitfire's armament delivered devastating firepower against enemy aircraft, ensuring that every shot counted in the heat of battle. Its combination of speed, firepower, and agility made it a lethal adversary in aerial combat, earning the admiration of pilots and commanders alike. However, despite its many strengths, the Spitfire was not without its limitations. Its relatively short range and limited fuel capacity sometimes constrained its operational flexibility, requiring frequent refueling and limiting its time over enemy territory. Additionally, advancements in enemy aircraft technology posed new challenges for the Spitfire, prompting continual adaptations and upgrades throughout its service life. Nevertheless, the Spitfire's enduring legacy as a symbol of courage and determination remains unparalleled. Its contributions to the Allied victory in World War II and its iconic status in aviation history serve as a testament to the ingenuity and bravery of those who flew and fought in this legendary aircraft. Even after the war, the Spitfire remained in service with various air forces around the world, further cementing its status as a timeless icon of aviation excellence. Its enduring presence in museums, air shows, and commemorative events serves as a poignant reminder of its enduring legacy and the bravery of those who flew it. Today, a number of surviving Spitfires are lovingly preserved in museums and private collections worldwide, where they stand as living testaments to the aircraft's remarkable legacy and the courage of the men and women who flew them. These meticulously restored aircraft serve as tangible reminders of the Spitfire's enduring impact on aviation history and its timeless place in the hearts of aviation enthusiasts everywhere. Comment below of what I should talk about next and subscribe for more.